Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. I have an announcement and questions for you guys today. First of all, I am decided I gonna start giving Taishan dance classes as I receive more and more requests. Classes will be both online and in person here in New Zealand. Online on Zoom meeting because most of you are overseas, so let's do it for you all. My questions are, where are you from and what time will suit you better? That way I can choose the best time to give my Zoom classes. Special classes will be for beginners, so we can go back to basics. Of course, intermediate can join as well just to improve. If you're interested, let me know just here. And yeah, let me know in the comment section where you're watching from and what time will suit you better.